welcome back to a vlog. It's Revenge Fox here. I'm with Ninja Nick 83.
Yep. Hey guys, like and subscribe to my channel and his channel.
You're so greedy. If we hit 1 like on this video, I will do lots of challenges with this guy.
Yeah.
It is the 3rd of July. I'm trying not to drop my phone over this fence or camera or whatever, but
Yeah.
it's the 4th of July.
And there's a bunch of freaking fireflies.
And when my dad's girlfriend, my dad over there, when my dad's girlfriend gets here, we're going to climb on that tree. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that tree. Now it's a bunch of people, and I saw a truck, and it said America on the side. It looked really cool.
So yeah, there it is again.
America! America! That guy probably thinks we're crazy.
Yep.
Probably.
We are crazy.
You crap, that's not now on me. You crap, that's not now on me. You.
Hey dude, film me doing this. Hey, what is it? Hey guys, I'm crazy.
My dad's gonna kill you. Okay, film me real quick.
There you go, guys.
Yeah, make sure your fingers are out of camera. Okay, so I had to get the worst clothes because Extremes America. It's not red, white, and blue. Of course, you got to go with the orange shirt
Yeah.
with my abs sticking out,
Yeah.
and the
boy.
blue shoes.
And also, wait, no, dude, show them what game it is on your shirt.
We're both Nintendo
Super
fanboys.
Mario Maker.
We're Nintendo fanboys.
Yep. He's doing a bunch of cartwheels, just like always.
Oh, you're my brother.
Yeah.
He's not. He's my friend, cousin thing, making a YouTube vlog. Okay, guys, so we're gonna climb that tree. When Dad's girlfriend gets over there.
Tree.
Here. Best dad in the world.
Yep, best dad.
I don't think he wants to be in the camera much. So.
And we're waiting for
People
his.
are probably thinking I'm crazy because I'm like running all over Medina.
Yeah. And plus, we go to the
But boy,
gas
we
station.
boys.
Yeah, and
Boy,
plus
we
we go to the gas station a lot.
So that gives me some ab workout.
Yeah.
You see this? No, it's too exclusive for you. Go to my website.
Okay, guys, if this video hits 10 likes,
No, 1 like.
2 likes, because you already said 1 like.
Sure.
10 likes, he'll show you his awesome abs.
No! These are my abs. My
They're
biceps.
Everybody's abs now.
You know, like, gay people are gonna like this.
I
You
can
know that,
care
right?
less. Hey guys, we're not gay.
Obviously. Oh, frick! I hurt my leg. You damn pig, man. Socks, boy.
Yeah, look at. Hey, Will, turn around.
What?
Just turn around. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. JK.
Cartwheel flip.
Dude, I zoomed it in and I can't zoom out.
Give me the camera. You stupid! No, I'm not.
Yep,
Pretty
he's
slow
climbing
motion.
that pole. Hey guys, he's about to climb that pole, okay?
Maybe, I don't know.
If this video gets 10 likes, he'll climb it.
I want to go down there.
Oh, we gotta wait for his girlfriend.
Gotta take the water bottle out.
Yeah, Oh, it's a firefly! I don't know if you guys can see
The
that.
real action's over there. Look at it quick. It was just going off like a minute ago. Also, guys, I'm going to Cedar Point next Monday and Tuesday, so you guys get to film that. Well, I get to film that. What the frick? Go off!
Go off, you stupid freaking thing. Hey guys. Oh, he's climbing the fence. Climbing the fence. Hey guys, show them how you're crazy. Hey, show them how you're crazy. This video is already 10 seconds. 5 and 10 seconds. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. We did crazy shiz night for five minutes.
That guy is driving on the curb. He's gonna kill us all.
Kill us all. Kill us all.
I run faster than you, boy.
I could care less because I got short legs. Because you know, shiz nut's about to go down. Fireworks, fireworks. Lolly, lolly, lollipop, lollipop, lollipop.
We're about to go in there. Part 1. See you later.